Today on the channel I'm sharing how to make one of my favorite fall crafts, and that is a 5-minute mason jar ring pumpkin. Stay tuned to see how I put it together. Welcome back to the channel, friends. For each pumpkin you are going to need 5 cinnamon sticks. Embellishments, I'm using wooden leaves, but you could also use the silk kind from the Dollar Tree. You'll also need a yard of twine per pumpkin, as well as a pair of scissors and of course mason jar rings. You'll need 23 to 25 depending on what size pumpkin you are going to use, with 25 being for a quart size and of course the pint being 23. When you're ready to put these together, you'll just start by sorting them out, especially if you want something that has contrasting color, say 2 different metallic tones or some that are more distressed than others. Place them in piles so that when you are putting them together, it's a little bit easier to assemble everything. When you're ready to assemble, you will take your yard of twine, double it in half, and then start adding your mason jar rings, keeping in mind that you'll want them all to face the same direction so that you'll have a more uniform pumpkin when you are pulling everything together. When you are at the end of your pumpkin, you'll want to make sure that you pull your twine taut on both sides and then triple knot your twine into a small bow, and then cut off the excess and set that to the side, and make sure that you put anything that is visible, kind of tuck it inside of your pumpkin. Using the scissors to kind of poke that in place is a great tool to use. Then you'll just want to straighten out your individual rings and make sure they are as round and symmetric as possible, and your pumpkin base is good to go. Then for your embellishments, you will use the 5 cinnamon sticks, group them together in a small bundle, and then use that leftover piece of twine to connect them and bind them. I like to keep the twine at the bottom third of the cinnamon stick bundle so that it's not seen, and then invert your pumpkin and stick the side that is not attached up through the pumpkin to help secure it in place as you go. Then add your leaf embellishments. Again, you could definitely use the small ones from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use wooden ones that I picked up at Joann's. They were actually 60% off and a great deal this past weekend. I had a gift card, so they stayed no waste and no spend for me. And then you really don't even need to glue them, just kind of stick them in and secure the tips inside of the rings as you set them, and you're done. Friends, how absolutely cute are these? They are definitely something that you could put together in a matter of minutes to have for a tablescape, a coffee table, or something to embellish a nook in, say, your dining room. I love to also give them as hostess gifts, or if I need to plan a meal for, say, school for my husband, they're a great thing to add to the tablescape for something simple and quick that is absolutely beautiful. And the best part, you most likely have everything you need to make these, and so this is one of my fall favorites for that reason. Simple, zero waste. Okay friends, that is how simple it is to put together this 5-minute craft. Really, really easy. It doesn't get much more frugal or zero waste than this. And if you are anyone like me who cans and you notice after a couple different seasons you'll start to have rings that don't really look their best anymore, definitely save those rings because you can put together some of these. And are they not the absolute cutest? And what I love about them is you could definitely spray paint these white or brown, green, any of the fall or autumnal colors. You could even put some washi tape on the bands, and these would be also super cute if you needed to put together a quick tablescape, or you were doing, say, a potluck at work or at church and just wanted something kind of festive for the table. Again, this is an under 5-minute craft. You probably have all the materials at home, and this is a super quick way to make your home a little more festive and to smell better this time of year. Also remember that I did get these little leaves at Joann's, and they always have some kind of 40 to 50% off coupon on their digital app, so definitely check that out, and you could probably get these leaves for under $2, which is a great steal this time of year. Again, super simple to make, really quick, and absolutely adorable. Now let me know what your favorite fall craft is, or if you have any crafts that you like to make that utilize mason jar rings. Definitely leave me a comment below and let me know all about them. Also, I'd love it if you'd hit that little red subscribe button and show me some love. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, cut on notifications because we're going to be doing fall crafts for the next 2 weeks on the channel, and I don't want you to miss a thing. And with that said, thank you again so much for tuning in and enjoying all the things on my channel. I really appreciate you and am so thankful for your time. With that said, please be kind to yourself and to others and have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching.